Skybridge is a family. We are born and bred out of frontline operators that understand what it takes to have mission success. Our contractors are deployed to the front lines with the Special Forces. So they are located all over the globe.
Skybridge started organically supporting SOF. 70% of us, at that time probably 85% of us, came from the SOF community. You know, service-enabled veteran-owned company, supporting the guys that we just came out of working with. So almost an extension of our previous service is how we viewed it. And SOF got us to the position we were probably 5 years ago. Our customers started coming to us saying, hey, can we do robotics? Can you do logistics beyond what you're doing? And it started organically, and that's what has led to our growth as a full service provider and put us in the position that we're in today. With our 5 lines of business, within Intel, engineering, software development, IT, the maintenance and field service, mobile tech repair complex. So we've been very fortunate from the inception to our growth. You know, when I came in, I think we had 8 employees. You know, we're approaching 150 employees. When you're a small business, it's all about capacity. You know, you're just trying to identify efficiencies. As you're moving towards that mid-size, it's very important that you call your shots and that you can make sure you're pricing forward. You know, when I came in, we were on QuickBooks Pro, and that was great till we hit probably about 30 employees and we realized, hey, we need a new system.
We switched to a legacy system that was not intuitive for our team.
The redundancy in reporting and having to go back and double calculate, even when I say it, it sounds ridiculous, but there's a lot of companies that's their process, and that was our process. Then now we have Unanet, and Unanet has changed all that for us. We are able to do real-time projections, and I love that it's not a delayed response. It's just changed our efficiencies, 100%.
Project management reporting is very essential with burn rates, with cost utilization, also employee utilization. Unanet can create custom reports that live on their dashboard, that are real-time reports that they can do at the touch of a button. When I decided I was going to start looking for a new system, one of the things that came to mind was Unanet's mobile app. I knew that no matter the technological expertise of our end user, they were going to be able to do it. Unanet provided a unique solution in that their expense reports and their timesheets actually work offline. So they could be in the desert, because as soon as they hit connectivity, it would automatically sync back into the system and it would be there. So the sky really is the limit with what you can do with Unanet. It isn't a one and done solution.
You know, my focus on how can I make it better, the experience for our folks, especially for our men and women overseas in austere environments. It's very important that they don't have anything to worry about, and we can make their lives as simple and easy as we can. That's our cornerstone, and I do think that sets us apart.